Happy day, students. Today you are going to learn about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. There are three types of conjunctions in English. Okay, coordinating conjunctions we use in compound sentences. Okay, subordinating conjunctions we use in complex sentences, and correlative conjunctions are paired conjunctions. So we shall see just coordinating conjunctions we use fanboys. Okay, so fan, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Subordinating conjunctions you see so many are there: after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, when, where, wherever, even though, every time, if, in order, that, since, so that, than, though, unless, until, whenever, whereas, while. And you see correlative conjunctions, they are paired conjunctions: either, or, not only, but also, neither, nor, both, and, whether, or, just as, so, the, as much as, no sooner than, rather than, scarcely, when. What do you mean by a coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction is a word that joins two elements of equal grammatical rank and syntactic importance. They can join two verbs, two nouns, two adjectives, two phrases, or two independent clauses or subordinating clauses. The 7 coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. They give equal importance to the words or sentences they connect. F, for, A, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, otherwise, Y, yet, so, yes, so, or still. What is meant by subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. A dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, is a clause with two specific qualities. Okay, because there is a subject, there is a noun. There is a subject, there is a verb. The subordinating conjunctions, you can see the functions accordingly how we use it. Okay, comparison. We use than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. For time we use after, as soon as, until, whenever, now that. For concession we use though, although, even though. For relative pronouns we use who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. For reason we use because, since, so that, in order to, as. Condition: if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that. For place we use where, wherever. For relative adjectives we use that, whatever, which, whichever. For manner we use how, as though, as if. Some more subordinate conjunctions we can see: after, although, as far as soon as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, except, how, if, in case, in order, in that, now that, once, provided that, rather than, since, so that, than. Then you see that, though, unless, until, when, whenever, where, whereas, wherever, whether, while, why. What do you mean by correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are sort of like tag team conjunctions. Okay, they are paired conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions include pairs such as both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not, but, and, not only, but also. For example, either or. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. Some more correlative conjunctions we shall see: both, and, not only, but also, just, as much as, if, then, what with, and, either or, so as, the, no sooner than, hardly, when, such that, neither nor, whether or, as, rather than, scarcely, when, so that. Now we shall see examples one by one. For coordinating conjunctions, you know fanboys I said. Now example. First F, for. We listen eagerly for he brought news of our families. Okay, so the conjunction is for. Next one, and she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. Third one you see, nor. I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or I'll go shopping, or I'll go camping. Yet Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. So I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Next we shall see examples of subordinating conjunctions. My father believes that I should be a writer. So that is the subordinating conjunction, you know. My father believes, that is main clause, that I should be a writer is subordinating clause, subordinating conjunction is that. Second one, he inspires me always because he believes in me. So he inspires me always is main clause, because is the subordinating conjunction. Okay. He works so hard that he can provide everything we need. Okay. Next one, I trust him because he is a trustworthy person. My life will be blessed if I fulfill his dreams. He will always support me whether I succeed or not. Now we shall see correlative conjunctions and the examples. Okay, hardly when. I had hardly closed my eyes when she came. Next one you see, such that. He is such a smart boy that he passes his math exam successfully. Neither nor. Neither George nor his brother is very tall. Whether or. He must do it whether he likes it or not. As. He is not singing as loudly as he can. Rather than. I would rather go out than stay at home today. Scarcely when. Scarcely had I gone to bed when the doorbell rang. Both and. Michael can both read and write. Not only, but also. Not only Mary, but also Gabriel is from Italy. Either or. I can have either cola or tea. So as. Her story isn't so boring as theirs. No sooner than. We had no sooner gone to bed than the phone rang. The more, the more. The more you can dream, the more you can do. So that my mother speaks so quickly that nobody understands what she says. So we know more or less they join equal weightages. Okay, the sentences have equal weightages. Both and. Two options are possible. Both the office and the library are open. Next one you see. Not only but also. It creates emphasis. Kim is not only kind but she is also smart. Either or. Choice between two alternatives. I can either bake cookies or buy a cake. Neither nor makes two negative statements. Okay, Mark is neither a singer nor an actor. Whether or. It presents two possibilities. Mail is delivered whether it rains or snows. Dear students, we shall see some illustration for this conjunctions. Okay, first coordinating conjunction. One example I have given. Shainas went to the supermarket and bought some vegetables. So the conjunction, coordinating conjunction is and. Next we see example for subordinating conjunction. Segar is the person who sells vegetables in the market. Who, it is the subordinating conjunction. Next, correlative conjunction you can see in this example. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. So either or, paired conjunctions are here. Yes, students, hope you have understood everything about conjunctions. With this, I wind up part 1 and I shall continue the next part in the next class. Thank you.